Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make New Orleans potato salad. Start by selecting waxy potatoes and wash them thoroughly, then cut into 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Boil gently until tender but still firm, about 10-12 minutes, then drain and cool briefly. Prepare a zesty dressing with mayo, mustard, vinegar, and Creole seasoning, fold gently to coat, and chill before serving to meld flavors. Gather your ingredients ahead: waxy potatoes, mayo, Creole mustard, white vinegar, and aromatics like celery and onion. Use measured amounts to keep flavor balanced and avoid overdressing the salad. Chop veggies finely so every bite has texture and flavor without overpowering the potatoes. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a touch of sugar if desired, then let the salad rest to develop its signature Creole punch. When mixing, combine warm potatoes with the dressing so flavors absorb better without turning mushy. Use a gentle folding motion to keep potato pieces intact and maintain a pleasant texture. Chill the salad for at least 1 hour to let flavors marry, then garnish with parsley, chopped scallions, and a sprinkle of paprika or cayenne for color and a mild kick. Serve chilled or at cool room temperature with picnic favorites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.